What's going on, guys? It's K from Beyond the Box, back with a brand new video. Today we're doing something a little different on the channel. If you guys saw my recent video of reviewing the Catwalk C, you guys know that I am in love with VR and I love video games. And I've been waiting to play Grand Theft Auto 5 in VR for about the past 8 years now. I feel like a lot of the world has been feeling the same way. It's a very, very highly searched topic on YouTube. Now we're finally about to make Grand Theft Auto 5 work wirelessly in VR with the Oculus Quest 2 and a VR Treadmill. I think I'm the first person in the world to get Grand Theft Auto 5 working wirelessly on the Oculus Quest 2 and a VR Treadmill. So I'm gonna explain all the details about how to make this work with the Quest 2 in just a second. You are gonna need Vortex, and you are gonna need an Oculus Quest 2, you're not gonna need an Oculus Link cable, and you are gonna need a VR Treadmill. So with that being said, guys, let's just dive in. To make Grand Theft Auto 5 work wirelessly in your Quest 2, you're gonna have to do a few things. First, use the link in the description and go download the Luke Ross VR mod. And then once you download it, you're gonna open the Grand Theft Auto 5 directory, you're gonna drop it into the file, and then you're gonna click unpack here. And from there, all you have to do is run the real config file, whether it's low, medium, or high, depending on your PC specs. Then you just close out because you've installed it correctly. Then what you want to do, you want to make sure that you have purchased Vortex or you have Vortex already installed. We're going to go open Vortex. We're going to press general. We're going to make sure the device selected is a Steam VR headset, not an Oculus Quest or a Rift or anything like that. If you're using a Quest or anything from Oculus, so make sure the headset selected is not an Oculus one. We're going to go to local profiles. We're going to look up Grand Theft Auto 5. And from there, we press apply and then apply and close. And then you're basically done. And all you have to do from there is open up your VR Treadmill software. Make sure that locomotion mode is set to X input mode 2. And then it'll connect to your Xbox controller as your left thumbstick. And there's nothing left to do other than open Steam. Make sure Steam VR is open as well and press play. You're gonna get a few pop-ups. Just press through them. Don't exit out of any of them. And the game should start automatically in your headset. As you can see, guys, we're actually walking around in Los Santos right now. We're in GTA 5 using the Luke Ross VR mod. You do have to use the Xbox controller for all your other buttons and all of those needs, but besides that, the Catwalk C takes place of your left thumbstick and gives you the ability to walk around in the video game. We're gonna try to take this car right here. Hold on. There we go. So you can walk and you can drive while in VR. Just make sure you're standing completely still and you don't move your feet. But you can drive and you can do everything that you do normally sitting down while standing up. Let's take this bike right here. This is what it shows. This is what it's like to be on a motorcycle in GTA VR. We're actually using the vanilla game right now. We don't have any mods set up in place besides the VR mod because this is really difficult to get working. And after this video is done, I plan to add more mods like a Redux mod to add more realistic mods and graphics into the world. But this is the vanilla version just to make the video, but we're gonna add more later on. So now we got a gun and we're running around doing whatever we want, terrorizing the citizens of Los Santos. Hold A to run, that's the only thing, but you really don't even need to use the left hand to trigger at all. You don't really need to zoom in with your gun at all or anything. Watch this. It's all based on your head's aim. So whenever you want to shoot, all you have to do is look in the direction. And the game is quite jerky. Actually, you see the jerkiness of my screen. It's actually more jerky than you realize because this is not a real VR game. This was never intended to be played in VR. So it is jerky using the Luke Ross mod. But this is insane, guys. My reality, my dream of playing Grand Theft Auto 5 in VR has paid off. We're just going around stealing vehicles, having some fun. Show you guys all the maneuverability of this game. You can turn around fully. You can see behind you. And I don't actually know who would want to play this because it is very jerky. The VR mod is meant to be played more like a sitting position. It wasn't meant for this in mind. So hopefully the mod will get updated for this type of VR treadmill use, because my head is bobbling up and down quite a bit. It makes the experience a lot worse because it works perfectly fine, but it's just really jerky and really shaky. You can turn the settings down to have 0 screen shake and 0 head bobble when you run, but I still find that at 0, it's still not enough, and there still needs to be more or less head bobble, per se. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here are the cops. So you can see how I'm moving without using the thumbstick. Oh, I died. Grab this car here. Hold up, hold up. Look, I need to come to your vehicle. It just so happens that it's a Bugatti. Okay, guys, so we finally made it to the strip club, and now we're about to go take a look. Welcome. Thank you. What? What's your problem, man? Going on, everybody? I would like to buy a drink. 2, please. Thanks. I'll take another. Alright guys, but this is Grand Theft Auto 5 wirelessly to the Quest 2 in VR. This is the first time in the world anybody's been able to play Grand Theft Auto 5 VR wirelessly to the Quest 2. This is a big step in VR because I've been looking up this video. I've been trying to make this happen since like 2013 when it originally came out. So, everybody's been obsessed with playing this game in VR for the past like 7 or 8 years. I can't believe it's been out like 8 years now. It just feels like it came out yesterday when I picked it up for the first time. But this is what GTA 5 in VR is like, guys, depending on if you guys want to actually play it. I just ran that lady over. How are we doing, guys? I see we're at the makeshift 7-Eleven. How you doing? Is this open? Oh, it is open! Hello! Ooh, hello. We want to rob this shop, so give me all your money!